beautiful. Look at this. Look at them rocks right here, right now. Beautiful. Look how cool that is. Huh? What is it? Where? Nice. Oh, it's beautiful here. How deep is here? It's pretty deep. Yeah, it's good.
It goes in.
Oh, he goes in?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, look. That's a pretty cool spot.
Cool, eh?
Yeah, they're gorgeous. So much nicer than the beach, you see? It's beautiful. It'll never get sandy. Let's go straight in the water and out.
You can jump in, like it goes straight down.
Yeah.
But there's a couple of pretty safe.
Gorgeous, gorgeous, absolutely. How beautiful it is.
Climbing up might be another story, but
Yeah. Well, if it was too easy, it wouldn't be that fun. Yeah, that tree, look at it, just go right off the rocks, you know? It's amazing. Is that a jack pine? Looks like it. All the rocks. Trees growing right under the rocks. Beautiful. Rocky lakes are the best. Oh, look at that one. That one's dried up, but like great firewood right there. That's the kind of firewood that'll burn for hours. If you can get it. That's a cool tree too. Wow, gorgeous, gorgeous. Thanks, Leslie, for taking us to the scenic route on this beautiful lake. 6 o'clock, beautiful. Sun's still up. Maybe we'll find some wood. Gorgeous. Woohoo! Are you doing all right? All right. Here she comes. Sitting as front as possible. Get the nose down in the wind. All right. Why is it going sideways?
I don't know. It's good though. It's working.
I'm losing the rope. I'm losing the rope. Are you good?